Welcome to Tools and Machines. I am your technical guide for this app. This app is a representation of augmented reality and its uses. This version is an assessment by Akash Bajpayee and is just for testing. It can be improved and many more functionalities can be added for sure. Thanks for using. Please bring the AR marker in the view of the camera to begin. The robotic arm. The robotic arm is used for multiple industrial applications, from welding, material handling, and thermal spraying, to painting and drilling. The robotic technology also provides human-like dexterity in a variety of environments. These may include servicing nuclear power stations. Industrial crusher. The crusher is a machine that is designed such that to reduce the size of large rocks into smaller rocks like gravels. It is not only for that, but it is also used for recycling of the waste materials. Crusher is a multi-dimensional machine. Crusher has diesel generator. Diesel generators are an alternative, reliable source of voltage power often used by homes and businesses. Diesel generators produce electricity by using an alternator and a diesel engine. The engine uses diesel fuel to operate. The power of the